All right, so Postgres Fast API, sorry, has recommended this way. If you come to advanced, I think advanced, yes, and then you click on advanced, and then you come to SQL or async relational database. Yes, this one. Fast API has recommended how to do database connections, and as I showed you earlier, this is one. This is how to connect to Postgres. But I think there are many approach, so I'll use my own approach. I think let me show you my approach. So from my approach, I will import create engine from SQL Archive. I'll also import declarative base, import session maker, and then import my setting from my config. Then I'll look out for my Postgres URL from my setting. I'll pass that to my create engine, and then I'll initialize my session with my engine that I've created. I will declare a base, and I want to use declarative base. And now here's where the magic work. So I've now initialized the session local to my DB, and I try to yield it. That is connect later I need it, and after I make use of it, I close it. This is important because this will free our memory usage as well. Like we need not to open the database connection down. Once we are done fetching the data, we quickly have to close it so that it will free some space on our system or wherever server we are running on to make our application much faster as well.